come out here?
Because I believe that abortion kills children, and we need to put a stop to it.
And you think showing signs to people make any difference?
It'll change people's perception, because a lot of people don't realize how atrocious abortion really is. They think it's just a medical procedure, and they don't realize that it's murder.
And as far as people seeing the honk for life signs, do they actually honk?
Sometimes. At this stop in particular, there hasn't been too many, but it's been okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
We'll work our way down the line here. Sorry. Hi.
Hello.
Why do you come out and do these things?
To protect the lives of the unborn.
And showing these graphic signs, a lot of people find it difficult. What is your experience with the reactions to them?
Well, you can't always tell at the time how you're affecting people, but it definitely arouses a lot of emotion and it touches people. You can't tell at the time, but always, but it definitely affects people, arouses a lot of truth.
And what do you say to people that might be thinking about doing this? Should they come out and participate in things like this?
Definitely.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Working our way down the line.
Yes.
So why do you come out and show signs of dead babies? Isn't that kind of a really bad thing to do?
Well, I found that graphic images very effective. Father Frank Pavone said that people won't end abortion in the United States until they actually see what it is. And the thing about the graphic images, they can be disgusted. They should. And if they are disgusted by the images, they should be even more disgusted by the actions in abortion and killing of young children. So that's why we're here, to speak for those who cannot speak for themselves and to defend the unborn, to put the end to abortion in our lifetime.
Great, thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
And the last person of the line here.
Hi.
How long have you been participating in events like this?
Actually, this is my first event like this, so I'm pretty excited about it.
And do you get the feeling that these signs do some good, or do you think that maybe it's not the right thing to do? What do you think?
Oh, no, I think it's definitely the right thing to do. It brings awareness to it. You know, a lot of people don't really understand what abortion is. They just hear the word and kind of dismiss it. So it brings the reality of abortion to people all over, you know. I think it's a very good thing.
Great. Thank you.